Kitchen sinks are essential fixtures in any kitchen, designed for various tasks like washing dishes, prepping food, and cleaning up. They come in a range of materials like stainless steel, porcelain, and composite, and can feature single or multiple basins. Modern designs often include built-in accessories such as cutting boards and strainers, enhancing their functionality. A well-chosen sink can greatly impact the efficiency and aesthetic of your kitchen space. So, in today's video, we're talking about the 4 best kitchen sinks of 2025. To find the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these products, we put the links in the description box down below. Thanks. First up, we've got the Elkay stainless steel sink. The Elkay stainless steel sink is a popular choice among homeowners and kitchen designers due to its blend of durability, functionality, and style. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these sinks are known for their resistance to rust, corrosion, and staining, making them a long-lasting investment in your kitchen. One of the key features of Elkay stainless steel sinks is their construction. The sinks are often made from 18-gauge or 20-gauge steel, with 18-gauge being thicker and more durable. The steel is usually brushed or polished to create a sleek, modern look that complements various kitchen styles. Elkay's sinks are also designed to be quieter than many competitors thanks to their sound-deadening pads that reduce noise from clattering dishes and running water. Elkay offers a wide range of sizes and configurations, including single-basin and double-basin options, as well as models with integrated drains and workstation features. Workstation sinks come with built-in accessories like cutting boards, colanders, and drying racks that fit seamlessly into the sink's edges, allowing for efficient multitasking and maximizing counter space. The installation of Elkay sinks is generally straightforward, with options for undermount, top mount, and even flush mount installations, catering to different countertop materials and preferences. Many models also feature tight radius corners that are both stylish and practical, making it easier to clean the sink. Another advantage of Elkay stainless steel sinks is their ease of maintenance. The non-porous surface resists stains and odors, and a simple wipe down with mild soap and water keeps the sink looking pristine. Some models also feature a scratch-resistant finish, which helps maintain the sink's appearance over time. In terms of design, Elkay provides various bowl depths and configurations to suit different needs. Whether you're looking for a deep basin for large pots and pans or a more compact sink for smaller spaces, an Elkay model will likely fit your requirements. Overall, the Elkay stainless steel sink is a reliable, versatile, and stylish choice for any kitchen. Its durability, noise reduction, and range of features make it a solid investment for functionality and aesthetic appeal. Next up is the Ruvati stainless steel kitchen sink, a true marvel in kitchen design and functionality. The Ruvati stainless steel kitchen sink is a standout option for those looking to combine style, durability, and functionality in their kitchen. Ruvati is renowned for its high-quality materials and innovative designs, and its stainless steel sinks are no exception. Constructed from premium-grade 16-gauge stainless steel, Ruvati sinks are incredibly robust and resistant to rust, corrosion, and dents. The 16-gauge steel is thicker than many other options, providing superior durability and a more substantial feel. This thickness also helps reduce noise, as the sink comes equipped with sound-deadening pads and a special coating that minimizes vibrations and echoes. One of the defining features of Ruvati sinks is their attention to design. The company offers a range of styles, including undermount, top mount, and farmhouse configurations, catering to various kitchen aesthetics and installation preferences. The sinks are often designed with a sleek, modern look that includes tight radius corners, which not only enhance their visual appeal, but also make them easier to clean. Ruvati sinks come with practical features that enhance their functionality. Many models include a bottom grid that protects the sink's surface from scratches and helps with drainage. Some also feature a built-in drain board or workstation capabilities, allowing for efficient multitasking. The sinks are designed with generous bowl depths and a spacious layout, making them ideal for handling large pots, pans, and stacks of dishes. Maintenance is straightforward with Ruvati sinks. The stainless steel surface is resistant to stains and odors, and routine cleaning involves just wiping the sink with mild soap and water. The brushed finish helps hide fingerprints and water spots, maintaining the sink's sleek appearance with minimal effort. Ruvati also offers a variety of sizes and configurations, ensuring that you can find a sink that fits both your kitchen space and your personal preferences. Whether you're looking for a single basin sink for a minimalist kitchen or a double basin model for greater versatility, Ruvati provides several options to suit your needs. Overall, the Ruvati stainless steel kitchen sink is a high-quality choice that delivers durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. With its robust construction, practical features, and stylish design, it's a great investment for any kitchen looking to combine form and function. Now, let's talk about the Kohler Prolific kitchen sink. The Kohler Prolific kitchen sink stands out as a versatile and functional choice for modern kitchens, blending innovative design with practical features. Known for its high-quality craftsmanship, Kohler's Prolific model is crafted from durable materials, typically using high-grade stainless steel, which ensures longevity and resistance to rust, stains, and scratches. One of the key features of the Prolific sink is its generous size and depth. This sink is designed to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease, providing ample space for washing large pots and pans, as well as accommodating multiple dishes and utensils simultaneously. The deep, wide basin also makes it easier to clean bulky items without splashing water around. The design of the Prolific sink is both functional and stylish. It often features a low divide between the sink bowls, which enhances versatility by allowing you to use each bowl independently while still being able to accommodate larger items across both bowls. This design helps in multitasking, such as washing and rinsing simultaneously. Another notable feature is the built-in accessories and integrated workstation capabilities. Many models of the Prolific sink come with optional accessories like cutting boards, colanders, and drying racks that fit seamlessly into the sink's design. These accessories are designed to maximize workspace and improve kitchen efficiency, making food prep and cleanup more streamlined. Kohler's Prolific sink also emphasizes ease of maintenance. The stainless steel surface is easy to clean and typically includes a brushed finish that resists fingerprints and water spots, maintaining a sleek appearance with minimal effort. Additionally, the sink is engineered to minimize noise thanks to sound-deadening pads and an undercoating that reduces vibrations and echoes. Installation options for the Prolific sink are versatile, including both undermount and top-mount configurations, which allows for flexibility depending on your kitchen countertop material and design preferences. The sink's design often includes thoughtful details such as a sloped bottom that helps with drainage and reduces the likelihood of water pooling. Overall, the Kohler Prolific kitchen sink is a top-tier option that combines practicality with elegant design. Its spacious basin, integrated accessories, and high-quality construction make it a great choice for those seeking both style and functionality in their kitchen. Whether you're remodeling or upgrading your kitchen, the Prolific sink is designed to meet a variety of needs while enhancing the overall kitchen experience. Finally, we come to the Kraus Standard PRO kitchen sink. The Kraus Standard PRO kitchen sink is a popular choice among homeowners and designers for its blend of functionality, durability, and contemporary design. Crafted from high-quality 16-gauge stainless steel, this sink is built to withstand the rigors of daily use while maintaining a sleek appearance. The 16-gauge steel is thicker and sturdier than many other options, providing superior resistance to dents, rust, and corrosion. One of the standout features of the Kraus Standard PRO is its spacious, single-basin design. The sink offers a generous depth and wide bowl that can accommodate large pots, pans, and baking sheets with ease. This deep basin is particularly useful for tasks like washing oversized cookware or stacking dishes, making it a practical choice for busy kitchens. The sink is designed with several practical elements that enhance its usability. The low-profile, tight-radius corners not only contribute to its modern look, but also make cleaning easier, as there are fewer crevices where dirt and grime can accumulate. Additionally, the sink comes with a heavy-duty stainless steel bottom grid that helps protect the sink surface from scratches and allows for better drainage. Another advantage of the Kraus Standard PRO is its soundproofing features. The sink includes sound-dampening pads and protective undercoating that significantly reduces noise from running water and clattering dishes. This makes for a quieter and more pleasant kitchen environment. Maintenance is straightforward with this sink. The brushed stainless steel finish helps conceal fingerprints and water spots, ensuring that the sink remains clean and polished with minimal effort. Routine cleaning involves simple wiping with mild soap and water, making upkeep easy and hassle-free. Installation of the Kraus Standard PRO is flexible, offering options for both under-mount and drop-in configurations. This versatility allows the sink to fit various countertop materials and styles, enhancing its adaptability to different kitchen designs. In terms of accessories, the Kraus Standard PRO often comes with a range of optional add-ons, such as a matching stainless steel strainer and a sink protector. These accessories further enhance the sink's functionality and integration into the kitchen workspace. Overall, the Kraus Standard PRO kitchen sink is a robust, stylish, and practical choice that meets a wide range of kitchen needs. Its durable construction, noise-reducing features, and modern design make it a great investment for any kitchen, offering both form and function in a single package.